didn't really mean to say it. I didn't want for you to go, but sometimes words, they just come out oh so wrong. And before you know it, the only sound you hear is the slamming of the door. Oh, you just start to die. And the only thing in the world that'll make everything alright is to see her. Headlights in the rain, coming back. Oh, I'll be waiting all night long, down the driveway, sitting by the phone, hoping that she's fine, while a million thoughts of someone else, someone new, is eating like cancer through you. It's driving me insane, waiting for headlights in the rain. Headlights in the rain. Just to hear you say it doesn't matter, just to hear you say everything's okay. Sometimes words, they just go where they don't belong. But we get through it, then we kiss and see the hurt begin to fade. Oh, but it won't be that way if I don't see you. Headlights in the rain, coming back. Oh, I'll be waiting all night long, down the driveway, sitting by the phone, hoping that she's fine, while a million thoughts of someone else, someone new, is eating like cancer through you. It's driving me insane, waiting for headlights in the rain. Didn't really mean to say it, I didn't want for you to go. I'm just sitting here, dying for you, baby, come back home. Headlights in the rain, coming back. Oh, I'll be waiting all night long, down the driveway, sitting by the phone, hoping that she's fine, while a million thoughts of someone else, someone new, is eating like cancer through you. It's driving me insane. Oh yeah, yeah, it's driving me insane. Waiting for headlights in the rain. Headlights in the rain. Didn't really mean to say it, I didn't want for you to go,